Hey everybody, it's Nikki. Back. My pizza was fantastic. Ate all of it. Love it. So meant to hold it like this, but anyway, so I just wanted to introduce everyone to our new family member, Blizzard. He is a Powerball ball python. He's a little special. Very interesting the way they breed them. He has balance issues. I'm sorry, baby. I kind of introduced him the other day. Anyway, he's got some balance issues. He kind of rolls on his back, flops around a little bit. He's the cutest little thing ever. See the little face? See the little face? So, that's him right there. He's very cute, very sweet, very timid, docile. Now he's hiding. But, yeah. Perfect little thing. Your face coming through my fingers. You see him? Oh, he's completely curled up. Let's see if we can spread it out a little bit. Oh, there's a little face. There's a little face. So anyway, he's been very sweet, very docile, we fed him the other day. He's cute, he's tangly. He, like I said, he's got balance issues. It's just genetic with their breed where he'll flip over, flop on his back, roll on his head. But he is just the cutest little thing. Yes, you are. I know, mommy smells like food probably. There's a little face. There's a little face. I've got an escaping little snake. I just wanted to post a video about him though because he is just cute and sweet, and honestly, I think some of the issues people have is just the concept of having reptiles that, they're nasty and vicious. I know my parents feel that way for sure. They're like, oh, we've heard horror stories about somebody had a python and, it devoured their kid or smothered their kid or whatever. Honestly, this guy is not going to get much bigger than this, but he is just sweet and lovable and, very docile. So, why don't you show your face to everyone? He's just been gorgeous, adorable, and I, for one, am 100% loving the experience with him. So, and there is a little face in there, I promise. Just experiencing this, something new, something different. I mean, we have 4 cats. The cats pretty much just like to watch him in his cage. They don't bug him, they don't do anything else. They just think he's kind of nifty, so I can agree. But yeah, I just want to get a little update because now I can actually hold him. I know you're hiding. You were hiding, little man. So that's pretty much things here in our household. Been busy. We've been really busy. Work is what takes up majority of our time. Ryan's still at work. Like I said, I had a half day, so I didn't have this long, exhausting day today, but I have to work on Saturday, and it's not so fun. However, I will always take Saturdays over having to work 5 days straight, ridiculous hours. Love my job, love what I do. I'm always very, very busy, but I like what I do. Like, my days fly by, and then I'm kind of like, I've lost my life because I'm mostly working. So yeah, that's pretty much what I do. Anyway, I've got see the cat? They've never experienced a snake up close, so I don't know how I feel about this. This is Thor. Shown him before. Thor, you're mommy's boy, huh? You're mommy's boy. Yes, you are. He's a spoiled little brat. Hey, you always get canned kitty food when you ask. And you are loved and loved and loved. Anyway, so that's pretty much what I'm up to. I need to go put little Blizzard back in his cage and, yeah, get ready for Ryan to come home. So, anyway, I just want to say hi, do a little update, tell you how fantastic my food is. You look so stoic. I'm sorry. I can see Thor on the camera, and I'm like, he just looks so stoic. Thank you, Loki. You're stoic too. Yeah, Loki, our Ninja Kitty, is coming in now and surveilling the scene. So I gotta go and just make sure Blizzard's okay and get ready for Ryan. But anyway, please comment down below, like the video, whatever you guys want to do. Like I said, I do these for me, not really for anybody else, but it's always nice to know people are actually watching. So have a good day.